My name is Maritza. I am working as an assistant art teacher at ArtSphere through Drexel University. I am a sophomore at Drexel, and I just started working with ArtSphere to give you guys virtual art classes that link art and literacy every Wednesday and Friday on Facebook Live from 1:30 to 2. This is my first live broadcast for ArtSphere, so people are, still showing up, but I'm going to post the videos and lesson plans and materials on the ArtSphere blog under educational resources. So if anybody misses the lives, you can always go to the ArtSphere blog and check it out. Today, for the first project, I thought it would be fitting to do Easter egg cards, because Easter and Passover are this week, and even if you don't celebrate either of those, it's still fun to look for Easter eggs and get free candy, and not a lot of people are doing that this year, obviously, so I thought it would be nice to make festive cards that you guys can send to family members or friends that you're missing and you don't get to see this week. The cards, I made some for you guys. They look like this. And they're fun because you can slide it up and inside there's a little note, so you can write something nice for someone that you're missing. I'm going to show you how to make those now. What you're gonna need for this is some sheets of blank paper, or you can use construction paper because it'll make the eggs more festive if you want, but I don't have any. And also you need smaller pieces of paper about this size. I've been using index cards because I don't have to waste any big sheets of paper cutting out pieces. It just needs to be able to fit in your egg. Just make sure it's small enough. The next thing you're going to need are markers or something to draw with. It can be markers, colored pencils, crayons, whatever you prefer. You are also going to need glue and scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is draw the outline of an egg on a blank piece of paper. Make sure that the egg is big enough that you can write something nice inside. On the blog, I'm going to post a template of an egg that I drew if you guys want to use that. But here is an egg that I cut out earlier for you guys. This is a good size for you to use. The next thing that you're going to do is, after you cut this out, take another blank sheet of paper, put this egg and trace it and cut it out so you have 2 blank eggs. Now, on one of them, doesn't matter which one, you're going to color something nice on the front like I did with these. So just on one side, you're going to color. It's going to be, nice. However you like it, you can design it however you want. It can be Easter themed, it can be Passover themed, it could be spring themed, whatever you prefer. It can have a unicorn on it, doesn't matter. So once you're done drawing, I'm going to show you how to assemble the card. So you're going to take these 2 eggs, put them on top of each other, line them up. They should fit over each other because they should be the same size. And what you're going to do is take your scissor and cut it around the middle. Make sure you cut it this way, not this way. This way. So line them up, make sure they're all lined up nicely. Cut in the middle, straight across, so that you have 2 top halves and 2 bottom halves. Now what you're going to do is glue them together. Gluing them the right way is really important because otherwise you're not going to be able to write a note inside, and that's kind of the fun part of the card. So you're going to take the glue and put it along the edge of your egg, and I'll show you guys how I'm doing it in a minute. You don't want to glue the entire bottom of your egg, because then you'll glue it shut, and you need a little pouch in between. You need the 2 pieces of paper to be able to open, because that's where you're going to put your note inside. So you're going to glue around the edge like I just did. Just the edges. You don't want to glue here. You want to be able to leave this open and no glue in the middle here. And line them up. There we go. Just make sure it's all aligned. Yeah. So you're gonna glue it. This is your bottom half. And you're gonna do the same thing for the top half. Again, you don't wanna glue it shut. You just wanna do the edges. Line them up. So that it looks like this. So now you have 2 halves of the egg. And what you're gonna do now is take another piece of paper and cut a slip of paper that's gonna fit inside your egg, because this is what you're gonna write your note on. Make sure that it's longer than it is wide, so you want it to be a rectangle. Like I said before, I've been using index cards because it saves paper. I don't need to cut my own sheet. So you're going to use the index card. This is where you're going to write something. You're not going to write anything yet. But you're going to take the bottom half of your egg and this. And what you're going to do next is glue about 1/2 of an inch at the bottom of the index card. So, or the sheet of paper that you're using, I'll show you, like that. And you're going to insert it where you have your little slit or your pouch in the bottom one, and glue it in there so that it's sticking out. There you go. See, it's going to be sticking out. And make sure that there's enough of the paper still sticking out of the bottom of your egg, because this is where you're going to write your note. So now you're basically done making the card. You should be able to insert the index card into the top half of your egg, and then you can close it like that. And now it'll open. So when you send it to someone that you're missing, a loved one, grandparent, I'm going to send mine to Grandpa George because I was excited to see him this weekend. So when you send the card, it'll look like an egg, and then you pull it up, and then there's a nice note in there. I did a note, Happy Easter. Can you guys see that? It can be something fun like that. I am going to address this one to my grandpa, as I said before. I'm gonna write something nice. Just a little something. Can be longer if you want, as long as it fits. And then you're gonna put your egg back together. There you go. And this is more fun than a regular card. It's not just regular one where you open it. This one's more interactive. So that's how you make the egg card. Once you write something nice, you can get an envelope. It's big enough to fit the egg. I don't know if you can see that, but I addressed it to Grandpa George. He's my grandpa. He lives in New York. And then, put it in and send it off, and it's a nice Easter, Passover, or spring surprise. Again, I'm going to post the instructions and materials and templates on ArtSphere's blog under educational resources if you guys missed the live. I will be doing this again on Wednesday at 1:30 to 2. We're starting this week, we're going to be doing every Wednesday and Friday from 1:30 to 2 on Facebook Live, and I'm going to post all the materials that you need afterwards on the blog. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope to see you next Wednesday.